Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a chat on Viber. Maybe you have a chat conversation that you no longer need and you want to remove it from your chat list. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a chat on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat for which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this conversation, so simply tap on it. In this chat page, tap on the name of the contact. This will open a panel with various options. From this panel, scroll up and tap on this Delete this chat option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to delete the conversation. Tap on Delete to confirm. After that, the chat will be completely deleted from your chat list and device. It will no longer appear, and all the content within the chat will be gone. Please note that deleting a chat is irreversible. Once you delete a chat, you cannot recover the messages or restore the chat. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a chat on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a chat on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.